It's not your normal white van, it's a Roller Team Toleno R. Hi everybody, my name's John and this is We Buy Any Motorcaravan. Now today we haven't just got a white van, easy for me to say. We've actually got the Roller Team Toleno R and I love this. We'll go a little bit more over the inside later on in the video, so keep watching. But for now, a little bit on the spec. Now this is the 2.3 litre 120 brake horsepower on the manual gearbox 6-speed. It's just under 5 meters 997 in length, so just under 6 meters, and it's 2.27 meters in width. So a really nice simple van that can get in pretty much any car parking space. Let's have a look around the other side. Okay, so this is the off side of the vehicle. Not a lot to speak about on this side, but like I said, the white van, the detailing makes this really interesting. It's got more of a racy feel about it. So they've followed the grey and red decals all the way through the van, and you can see it's the Toleno up at the top. You have got your LPG fill on this one. You've also got your electrical outlet, and you've guessed it, you've also got the toilet on this side. So there's your Thetford cassette toilet. Alloy wheels on this one is standard, with it being the R, and you'll see the bed configuration in a second when we move around to the back. Now what can I say, it's the back end of a Fiat Ducato, but I like this layout, so we're going to see the inside layout from the back as you would see it. So opening the doors, and immediately what can you see? With it being the R, it's got the twin double beds. Now the bottom bed can be moved, and I'll show you how to do that. Cushions to one side. Now this is really great if you want to get your bikes in the back while you're travelling, okay? It's also got your socket points and plenty of storage at the back. But what I think about this is it's a great layout, great bit of space. You don't need a bike rack on the back of the vehicles. The bikes can go in here and be safe on the outside, locked up. What do you guys think? Not a lot to say about this side of the vehicle. As you can see, you have got your Dometic fridge freezer air vents. You have got your water fill as well. But the clever bit is what we're going to go and have a look on inside. It's very space saving. Compact and bijou, yes it is, but it's very, very practical. So like I say, this is really compact and bijou and some really nice space saving features. Now the galley's quite small. You do have all your usual refinements, or your control panels are up at the top. You've got full LED lighting throughout. You do have your small sink and your 2-burner hob. Your cooker's just underneath here, and you have got a half fridge freezer over at the other side. Now, it is a 4-berth, as you can see the two doubles in the back. It is 4 belts as well, and you've got the leather and cloth in this one. Little space saving features, you've got a table where this just pulls and rotates round, so it almost utilises a little bit more space for you there, especially when 4 of you are eating at this table. Both captain's chairs that do move round, and with it being the R version, you do get the carpets and the blinds as standard as well. I mean, look, follow me through into the motorhome and we'll cover a little bit more. So as I keep saying, it is a little bit tight. You've got plenty of storage here. There's your fridge that you can get to. You know, look, it's very practical, and look, how much can you fit into a small van? 4 people, 4 berths, 4 belts. I mean, usually these are meant for 2 people, but come on, this is a really, really good idea. Just me, I'm a bigger chap, I need a bit more space. The toilet area that you've got all your usual refinements. You've got your sink, you've got your shower, and you've got your loo. And get back to the back side, we're coming through to the front side, this side for the beds. And as you can see, yeah, plenty of room. So what can I say about the front end? Plenty of LED lighting that I've just noticed, more than you can shake a stick at. You've got your TV points, your USB ports, your charging ports. You've got your heating system, which is all in place. Front of the cab, multi-functional steering wheel. You've got cruise control. You haven't got a media unit in that one, but I guess that's an upgrade if you want it. Like I say, the 6-speed manual, 120 brake horsepower, 2.3 litre, so plenty of power if you need it. I do like the quality of this leather, and I do like the cloth with the Roller Team in it. I think they've done a cracking job of that. and like I say, space saving, but all the usual refinements. What more do you want? Now, if you're to price one of these up for 2023, you have got a few other options. Again, automatic box and a few other options on the inside, but you're talking starting from around £65,000. Hell of a motorhome. I like it, even though it's white and I prefer grey. I do love this colourway. Now, if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see a lot more, like, subscribe, click, send a carry pigeon, whatever you need to do. My name's John and this is We Buy Any Motor Caravan, and I'll see you later.